Home loans explained. Confused by all the different home loan options, what they mean and what they mean for you? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the different types of home loans available in Tennessee, and you'll be ready to make an informed decision on which one is best for you. And stick around to the end to discover my super secret tip for choosing the right loan for your Tennessee dream home. If we haven't met before, my name is Lucy Hood, and I'm a top producing realtor that has bought, built, managed, and sold a great number of properties in my 8 years in the business. It's my mission to bring you wealth and understanding through real estate right here in the Smokies. Loan type number 1, conventional loans. These are not insured or guaranteed by the federal government. They typically require a higher credit score and a down payment of at least 3 to 20%. They offer flexible terms and competitive interest rates. Think of it as our bread and butter loan. They're typically pretty relaxed as far as the needs that the house needs to meet, and there's not a lot of red tape. Next up is FHA loans. Backed by the Federal Housing Administration, these loans are great for first-time home buyers with lower credit scores. They usually require a lower down payment, around 3.5%, but you'll need to pay for private mortgage insurance. It's not just for first-time buyers either. You can do an FHA loan if you haven't bought a primary residence in the past 3 to 5 years. Next up is VA loans. If you're a veteran or active duty service member, thank you for your service. This loan is a fantastic option. VA loans require no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. They're kind of the cream of the crop. They usually have competitive interest rates and are backed by the Department of Veteran Affairs. They're hands down the best loan around, but they come with some serious red tape. So be prepared for sellers to be hesitant if the house isn't in pristine condition to accept a VA loan. Next up, USDA loans. For those looking to buy in rural areas, USDA loans might be the perfect fit. These loans require no down payment and are backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture. They have income limits and are only available in certain areas. Their purpose is to turn farmland into more residential neighborhoods. You can check to see if the address is eligible in the link in the description below. Also, an honorable mention loan that's right here in Tennessee is the THDA loan, Tennessee Housing Development Agency loan. Basically, it couples with the FHA loan and it makes that 3.5% down payment for you. There are some income limits and other stipulations, and you also have to take a first-time home buyer's class, but it's definitely worth it if you qualify. Now for my super secret tip. To help you choose the right loan, make sure you get pre-approved by a lender and discuss your options with them. They can guide you based on what your financial situation is and long-term goals. The guidelines change every single year by like a lot. And they have a black belt in what it truly takes to know what's best for your financial profile. Ask your lender, hey, what do you think about me going USDA or FHA? Or do I qualify for a THDA loan? Now that you've got your certificate on home loans, but let's say it was more of an investment property that you were interested in buying, and the property you're eyeballing already has tenants in it. What are the things you need to know about buying a property with tenants already in? Stay tuned for my video next week where I tell you the 5 things you gotta know when buying a property with tenants. Because trust me, I've done it way too many times to let you fail. Click the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with all things real estate in the Smokies. And if you're interested in hiring me to be your trusted local advisor, give me a call or text 865-264-0517.